No. Don't know. No. I mang cái gì vậy? I hô mà.
Mami, tính ra đây. Nó đá đi.
Đây nè. Không rồi. Dài nữa. Running hold like that. Pop.
So this is Fandom and this is Godfrey's. This is Godfrey's power up and power drain, black shield, ice shield, and I don't know what. I'm losing my voice. Okay, stroke of genius. Keep your head cool. And okay, another one. And another Ninjago one. So this is a Crown of Ice, and this is the Provoke, and I don't know if I've Provoke Anger. If I said it wrong, if it's that. Okay. And this is Weapon Freeze, Fire Field, Pick and Choose, Crown of Fire, this guy, Dual Burst. Oh, no. No. Wait. Ugh. Now this one, the Snow Surfing, and this is Power Up ability, and the Sizzling Spear. After that, wait, freeze. Okay. Okay, Sizzling Spear. This guy, probably okay, and Stand Tough, and a Smoke Screen, and a Freeze Ray, and a Assist, and a Snow Surf again. Okay, which one on it? Okay, now to the finals. I think just one more, just one card, one more Ninjago card. Just wait. Power of the Sword. Okay, this is the Ninjago. Okay, never mind. So So this is the swap U, and this is the weapon frenzy. Choose one weapon. Sensei whistle, boulder strike down, gravity drop, sonic roar. Wait, spitfire snake. And now to the finals. Pokemon cards. Oh, let's. Whoa, these are some great cool cards. Wow, these are some good cards. These are some really good cards. Really great. Oh my goodness. It's this guy. Okay, how lucky me. Okay. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe if there's any more cards. Okay, please subscribe, and peace. Really.